Burn my fucking cookies, assholes.
What are you insecure about?
My height.
Why?
Because I want to be 6'3".
How tall are you?
6'2".
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Devs, and bitch, I'm running away. No, I'm playing. We're gonna do a get ready with me on the beach because I realized I'm not using my free will correctly, so we're gonna go ahead and go do that. And then I brought my Puffco fully charged and all that shit, so it's gonna be a faded get ready with me. And yeah, I'm gonna take a hit per fucking makeup step. You know, it's just one of those days. Like, oh my god, look how fucking pretty that is. Oh, I just yanked my shit. It's so fucking beautiful. Like, I love this shit. So first step, of course, you already know, it's primer, bitch. All products will be listed down below for y'all. We're so fucking pretty. And I'm glad it's like not too hot. I'm glad it's like not too hot either. Next is the Kylie Skin Tint. I love this shit to death. Dude. Oh my god, I forgot I have white on. Speaking of towels, let's talk about it. Cause bro, why the fuck? If you guys are real ones, you guys know I have like this Fashion Nova towel. Loved it so much. I think I had it for like years already. And I had to get to Hawaii. Dude, why the fuck? It was wet, right? Because we had went to the beach. If you guys seen that one, y'all real. Oh. Nah. Oh shit. Dude, where the fuck is my man? Oh. Yeah, anyway, so I had took that towel to the beach. And I remember leaving it in my sister's room to like dry out on the balcony. Why the fuck I wake up the next day and it's gone? Her towel and her things that she left hanging were there, but not my fucking towel. I was so sad because, dude, they don't sell that shit no more. It's my favorite fucking towel. So now I have to use this towel. It's not the same. It's not the same. Concealer under the eyes. Oh shit, my eyebrows. I forgot I didn't do them. So we're gonna do that too. Oh, ooh, ooh. My eyebrows. Comb them real quick. I didn't realize there was like a, like, it looked like this. I thought it was just like a whole spoolie. When I be combing my shit sometimes, I'm like, what's going on? Because it doesn't, I don't know. I think the other side works better. I know I did like 5 makeup steps already and shit because there was like a lady just sitting right there. I want to be respectful, bitch. Like, I can't be that ghetto here. This is my future neighborhood. Like, I can't be doing that shit. What the hell? I guess I just cut my eyebrow too. While it vibrates in my lap. Go, 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 go. Oh, there we go. These people are like looking at me like this influencer ass bitch. Anyways, shit, what? Okay, I don't really give a fuck about the bottom pieces, to be honest. I'm just gonna leave the top. So, whatever. This ain't no AI, bro. I know I'm an AI bitch. Yo, you know what's so funny? I be fucking around with that shit. Like, I don't ever like touch my body or my face with the AI shit, but I have with the backgrounds, and I be like, damn, what the fuck? Like, it's crazy how the world is now, you know what I mean? And fuck it, it turned into a desktop. I need a yap, bro. No, but for real though, like, it's so scary how shit is nowadays. I obviously with my shit, like, I'm not trying to say my shit's scary, but like, I'm just saying, like, I be fucking around, like, I be having fun with my shit, you know? Like, it's not that serious. Like, obviously it's AI, so it's not gonna be as perfect as my other pictures, duh. If you had the time of day, like how these people do, sometimes, like, you'll see how realistic it can get. That's why I always say, you know, you gotta know what's real, what's fake, what's true and what's not. I mean, shit, that too. But use your fucking discernment, especially when it comes to social media. Like, please, like, chill. People take that shit so serious. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? I'm gonna do what I used to do actually for the pressed powder. So I would get the loose powder. Oh my god, I did not close that bitch right. Ooh, it fucking blows away. I dab it in and then I press it on my shit and I just create the pressed powder. Like, if you want to make a mess, I think you should do this, but if you don't, just get the fucking pressed powder and just pat that around real quick. Oh shit, how many steps did... Oh shit, we gotta... Shit, there's people. Fuck. Hold on, I gotta put it down. There's people. I got damn beach chairs. Dude. I want one. I want one with the canopy on it, but I don't want to carry that shit around. Like, I'm already carrying a duffel bag. Like, because I was going to do this shit on the sand, bro. I would have been on the towel anyways, but I would have been laying down on some lazy bitch shit, so. Glad there's a bench right here. Let me wipe this shit off. Dude, I don't even have to fan my face. Like, there's fucking wind, bro. It's Physicians Formula highlight and champagne. I keep forgetting I'm in public, dude. I don't have my lip combo. I only have this. We're gonna have to make it work, bitch. Okay. I don't want to do this. Let's see. I guess, bitch. Fucking EOS right here. Well, we worked with what we had, bitch. Whatever. For those who are asking, to update you on fucking how I've been taking care of them and shit. So I've had these on since my birthday, January 20th, bitch, okay? I've been washing them like regular, you know? I guess I just treat it like my real hair. And it's been working well with like the hairstyles that I've been doing. This is like my favorite thing to do now. Like, instead of adding so much heat, because I noticed, and even when I went to go get my hair done with like ladies and shit, they would even tell me like, dude, your shit's fried. And I know, because like every Instagram picture that I have, like, I just can't have the same hairstyle. Like, I just like to switch it up. And so yeah, I feel like these are clutch as fuck though. Oh my god, it's just laying down. Oh, is that shit fake? Nah, that's crazy. Are you real? It charges at me. That's so funny. Oh, I don't want any more of your friends popping up on me. How long has it been there? Like, we have an audience, a live audience. Please, please, don't look at me. Please don't come over here. If it's looking straight, if its head is straight, is it looking at, oh no, now it's looking at me. Okay, it was just trying to leave. Ah! Okay, we're back in the car and I'm looking at myself and I need to add blush to this bitch. Like, why the fuck? Wait, I have extra, bro, my trunk. Bitch, I'm so clutch. Yes, bro, fuck what I just did, bro. I need my lip combo. We're gonna take one last hit. This is all I ever wanted, you can't take it from me. See the flip on my wrist, and I know she know what's up, baby, this is my ain't never been stupid, I should've been better than this. Wasn't the right way to do it, I should've been choosing the money instead of a bitch. Fuck it, cause I'm getting through it, just watch how I do it, I knew I was ready for this. Bitch, I'ma focus on music, I know how I do it, I knew I was ready for this. Anyways, okay, so, oh shit. That shit's so funny, I didn't realize how loud the fucking AC was. So when I had it in the video, it was so funny. Okay, never again. So, if you guys made it to the end, I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do all that good shit down below, ho. And I'll see you guys in my next video.